Alright, today we're going to be taking off the crash beam. We have to take off this assembly here because I'm going to make room for the intercooler. For CX Racing's intercooler, you have to cut this portion out. I'm going to be removing the washer fluid reservoir, the headlight, and a few other tidbits. This car had added HIDs, so I'm probably going to be taking those off too because they're a little bit old school. Probably convert them over to LED. Alrighty, now that we've got most of that stuff out of the way, including like the crash beam, the headlights, the windshield washer fluid, the ballast, definitely made some room now. I'm gonna go in and just remove some of the heater hoses so I can relocate that stuff, the coolant pipes, make room for the CX Racing turbo kit, and then the next video I'm gonna unbox all that stuff and show you because it did show up in the mail. Super excited about it, and we'll see what we got going there. That concludes everything for tonight. Let's get those parts out. Let's take a look. Just got those in the mail, so we're gonna open them up. I'll show you in the next video. I'm gonna get out of here and clean up. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time.